All right, this is Mark Gutkowski, MarkGPS.com, and we are meeting Mark Bessey today to look at his listing at 325 East via Escuela number 321. It's up on the upper level to the right there. And this is a one bedroom, one bath. It's 651 square feet. And the price on this is $299,900. I'm gonna do a quick swoop around so you can see where the parking is. We're on the east side of the unit. You're gonna have assigned parking along this area over here for one car. And the pools and grounds are around here as well. It's actually really a terrific complex. Timing is good. There's a plane going over. It's a private plane at the moment. It's not directly under a flight pattern, but there is noise in the area. I would not say it's horrible at all. And now we're gonna go upstairs and take time. All right, I am up where I was just pointing. I'm looking east, so I was down there below. And I'm gonna turn here now and come into the unit. So there's a little bit of a breeze up here. It just closed the door unceremoniously on me, but voila.
Now the wind did that.
We get the big reveal. I know, the wind did it, which is totally... Here's Mark, he's got us in.
Welcome.
Big star. Whoops. Let's close that. All right, so we have the kitchen over here. This has the original cabinets, they're wood, and they have a new countertop, and then you have a farm kitchen sink in it. The ceiling has been, rather than the tray ceiling that's in some of these, it's been flattened, and there are canister lights, so that looks really nice. And then you have, you know, usual stainless steel appliances. They all look like they're in good shape. In the kitchen entry and then off towards the bathroom, you've got the composite flooring, and then you have carpet above. Mark, do you have to have carpet on a second level?
Or rugs.
Rugs or carpet? Okay, so you could have a harder surface, but you'd have to have a rug on it?
I think you have to get approval from the HOA though.
Okay, Mark's not saying that he can confirm or deny this. That was a thing, but there you go. That's what we're gonna go with. It's gonna be fine. This is really cute. They have the shelves on the opposite side of the kitchen.
You could put bar stools there too.
Yeah, if you took that, that'd be nice. So it's very cute. There's the front door I just came through. Mark is gonna scoot out of the way. He's wounded. He has something wrong with his poor foot over there.
My foot.
Oh no. All right, so that's the bedroom. Gonna keep going on this one. And I'm gonna take you outside. So outside is north facing and very cute. They have sort of a division here with some artificial green. And then you can see the grounds. So the structure over there, the taller structure to the left, that's the Riv. Those are newer complexes that was just made in the last few years. And then this is the green space that's throughout the entire community. You don't see the pool directly, but this is really very, very pleasant. I like it a lot because you're kind of in a treehouse, which is great. So that window there that I'm passing by, that's from the primary bedroom. And then there are two sliding doors here, and your utilities, like your hot water heater and furnace, are gonna be out here in this closet that's off of this area.
Out here in the front.
Oh, and there was one in the front,
That's
true, in the
just a
hallway.
big storage closet.
Mark has corrected me. That is storage. That's why it's always nice to have the real estate agent here. There's a tenant here right now, and so I'm just trying to go through quickly. Nice layout of the bedroom. This is a different floor plan. They have several different floor plans. Some have larger bedrooms, some have smaller ones. This is the more petite size, but I think it's so well laid out. It's nice. I'm looking back at the outside patio I was just on, so you can see that. And as I come around, you'll be able to see the living room, the kitchen with the area where you could put bar stools. And as I do the full circle, you're gonna see a couple things where the carpet stops, and then we have the wood panel flooring. You saw the washer and dryer there. And then this is the bathroom. Hey, it's me, Mark, MarkGPS.com. Flooring, bathroom, and the bathroom is used as the guest bath and the main bath. All right, so there we go. This is pretty much everything at this point, and I'm gonna let you go. Any questions about real estate? Mark, MarkGPS.com.